Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play You Need to Calm Down by Taylor Swift. Now before we can play this song, we first should make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's two chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are D major and G major. If you know how to play those two chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is D major. To play that, take your second finger, press down on the fourth string of the second fret, take your third finger, press down on the third string of the second fret, and then take your fourth finger and press down on the second string of the second fret. This is D major. And the last chord for this song is G major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the third string of the second fret, take your second finger, press down on the first string of the second fret, and then take your third finger and press down on the second string of the third fret. This is G major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be D major for 8 beats and G major for 8 beats. Let's play that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Let's play that string pattern on the D major chord. Down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, pause, up, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. And now let's add the chord progression with the strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through You Need to Calm Down. You are somebody that I don't know, but you're taking shots at me like it's Patron, and I'm just like, man, it's 7 a.m. Say it in the street, that's a knockout, but you say it in a tweet, that's a cop-out, and I'm just like, hey, are you okay? And I ain't trying to mess with your self-expression, but I've learned a lesson that stressing and obsessing about somebody else is no fun. And sticks and stones never broke my bones, so you need to calm down. You're being too loud. And I'm just like, you need to just stop. Like, can you just not step on my gown? You need to calm down. And at the end of the song, we're just going to downstrum and ring out on the D major chord. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for You Need to Calm Down. And that's how you play You Need to Calm Down by Taylor Swift. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks, my friends at Flight Music, for allowing me to showcase your ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.